ಅಪ್ಪ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸು.
Okay, Putty, come on.
ಓಕೆ.
Welcome to S Academy by Sache, your gate coding and tech skill. Grab your free resources and start building today.
Hi, greetings everybody. Have you ever wondered when you type a website like Google or Amazon, how does the website actually appear on your screen? Where is that website stored? How does the internet know where to find it? Today I am going to explain how a website is built, hosted, and connected to a domain using a very simple library as analogy. By the end of this video, even beginners will clearly understand how the web works. Now imagine you want to open a digital library. Before opening the library to the public, you must first create books and organize them. You write books, arrange shelves, and organize sections like science, technology, stories, history, etc. This is similar to building a website. Developers create a website using technologies like HTML for structure of the website, next CSS technology for design and appearance of the website, JavaScript for interactions and functionalities. If the website stores data, then we will be using backend languages like PHP or Node.js, and also databases like MySQL, which is open source. So, building a website is like writing and organizing books in a library. But before opening your library to the public, you must first test everything on your private room. You check, are the books arranged properly? Are the shelves labeled correctly? This stage is called local development. Developers test websites on their own computers using tools like XAMPP or WAMP. The website runs on an address like HTTP, localhost, and your project name. Here, localhost means the website exists only on your computer. Just like books inside your private study room, nobody else can access them yet. Now, your books are ready, but people cannot read them unless you build a public library building. In the website world, this is called web hosting. You upload your website files to a server, which is a powerful computer connected to the internet. Hosting companies provide these servers. Some popular hosting providers include GoDaddy, Hostinger, Bluehost, Vercel, etc. So think of hosting as a library building where all the books are stored physically. Once hosted, people from anywhere in the world can access your website. Now, imagine someone telling you, go to the library building which is located at coordinates 17.3 degree north, 78.4 degree east. That would be very hard to remember. Instead, we give the library a simple name like Sachin's Digital Library. Websites work the same way. Every server has an IP address which looks something like 142.250.183.200. But remembering these numbers is very much difficult. So we use domain names like google.com, amazon.com, sachinadi.academy.com. ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ನಾವೊಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಸವ ಸದನ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ಟಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೌಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಹೌಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವ ಸದನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು IP ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಮನೆ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವ ಸದನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ನೇಮ್. Domains are purchased from domain providers like Namecheap or GoDaddy. A domain name is simply the easy to remember address for your website. Now comes the interesting part. When you type a domain like google.com, how does your computer know where the actual Google server is located? This is handled by DNS, which stands for Domain Name System. Think of DNS like a city information desk. If someone asks, where is such and digital library, the information desk checks its records and gives the exact location. Similarly, DNS converts the domain name into the server's IP address. Example, google.com, which is located at IP address 142.250.180.206. Now the browser knows exactly where the website server is located. Now let's quickly see the entire process. Step 1. You type the domain name in your browser. Step 2. DNS finds the server IP address. Step 3. Your browser sends a request to the hosting server. Step 4. The server sends the website files back to your browser. Step 5. Your browser displays the website on your screen. And that's how a website appears instantly. Last but not least, let's quickly summarize the things. Building a website is like writing books in a library. Local host, your private study room. Hosting, the public library building. Domain name, library name and address. DNS, the information desk that tells the location of your library. Once you understand this process, the entire web ecosystem becomes very simple. I hope you find this explanation helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel.